Central BCC to Adam, Boy, Truck 1 on TAC 1.
U1. Go ahead.
U1, SWAT is needed for rapid deployment at St. Michael's Medical Center. Detective 240 Adam requests you respond to the CP. Code 3. Ongoing hospital invasion by multiple armed suspects. The target is believed to be a foreign diplomat undergoing emergency medical treatment. Suspects are armed with automatic weapons and equipped with bulletproof vests. Suspect affiliation and identity unknown at this time.
U1, roger. Show us en route. ETA driving time. All right, men. We have an international incident on our hands. Hyun-Jun Park is a South Korean diplomat. Earlier today, he was attacked by 6 gunmen while exiting a restaurant. Mr. Park was injured in the attack, although his personal security got him to safety. The gunmen escaped after the initial attack. Mr. Park was routed to St. Michael's Medical Center for emergency treatment. Since there wasn't time to secure the hospital, Mr. Park's security accompanied him into the patient ward. Mr. Park is one of the senior officials attached to the South Korean embassy. He has been addressing the United Nations for the last 2 days during the current round of reunification talks. Mr. Park is a major advocate in favor of reunification. He is one of the primary voices in the South Korean delegation. We assume this attack is related to his political intentions, but we don't know who was behind it. Whoever they were very well equipped and well organized, ambushing Mr. Park in a location not on his official travel itinerary. Now St. Michael's has been rushed by a group of gunmen, presumably the same ones who attacked Mr. Park earlier. They're well armed and are moving straight through the hospital in an attempt to locate their target. They are not interested in taking hostages, and they've been brutal in their attack on the hospital. Choose your entry, get your gear together, and get in there.
Adam, this is Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding to St. Michael's Medical Center for rapid deployment.
Gold. I got point. Get behind me.
With you, sir.
Hands up!
Entry team to TAC. We have a DOA here.
Copy.
TAC, this is entry team.
EMTs.
Civilian is injured but alive. Notify the EMTs.
Roger that. EMTs standing by.
Suspect in sight. Get down and put your hands up. Do it!
No mercy for traitors, and none for you. Police! Get down! Hands in the air!
Thank you, Terry. We're
Over
reporting
there.
live.
Police, put your hands up!
St. Michael's Medical Center.
Entry team to
where
TAC.
apparently
There's a down
terrorists
suspect
have
here.
invaded the ER wing.
Copy.
I've just been told
Continue
by our
mission.
News 9 helicopter that SWAT has just entered the building to put an end to the situation.
TAC,
Here are the
the
breaking
TVs are on and
details
here
at
and the
this
damn
time.
reporters just gave away our
An
entry.
unknown number of
Get them off the
heavily
air.
armed gunmen stormed into
Consider
the
it done,
hospital
entry team.
sometime after
Cutting the cable
11:30
connection.
p.m. The police are not telling us too many details, but judging by the number
Zip
of
him up.
ambulances from
Copy.
other
On
hospitals
it.
heading towards St. Michael's, they have a serious situation inside.
You shouldn't have gotten involved.
Suspect in custody.
Entry team to...
Regroup and follow me.
Copy. On our way.
In position.
There they are! Drop your weapons! Get those hands up! No mercy for traitors.
Suspect
That must
contact!
get
Police! Drop
Entry team to talk.
Drop your weapon!
Lost him, sir.
On the
Orders
ground,
time.
now! Damn it! Hands
Suspect
up!
contact.
Drop your weapon! Get those hands up!
I am unarmed.
Police! Hands up! Show your hands!
Get down now.
Suspect in sight. Suspect killed in crossfire.
Make him secure.
Got it.
Stinking imperialist!
Suspect
Secure
secure.
what's coming, wait and
Copy.
see!
On it.
Don't worry. Someone will get
secure,
that traitor. No matter how you try to defend him.
Regroup and stand by to move.
Back off me, man.
Behind you.
Bastards. Run, king.
Entry team to talk. This is entry team. We have a dead suspect. Talk. This is entry team. Found a DOA. Entry team to talk. We have a DOA here. Talk.
Roger
this is
that.
entry team.
Trailers and
Injured
EMTs
civilian
are
ready for
standing by.
evac.
That
Copy.
way!
EMTs standing
On
by.
the ground, now! Police, on your knees!
Civilian
This is happening!
Negative.
Don't shoot me!
Make her secure.
Copy. On it. Don't worry. I'll keep you safe.
Ow! That's
Entry team to
tight!
talk. Civilian ready to evacuate.
Fall in on
Copy.
me.
We'll be ready for you.
Falling in.
In position.
Cake, anyone?
I'm not touching that shit.
Police! In position.
Entry team, talk. This is entry team. Jackson's hit. He needs an evac ASAP. Entry team to talk. We have a suspect down.
Roger that.
Entry
standing
team to
by
talk.
for further
There's a
reports.
DOA here.
Roger that. EMTs standing by.
Goddamn SOBs.
Drop the gun! Do it now!
My weapons are down.
Gerard, listen up. Take him into custody.
I got it, boss.
Don't waste time with this. Stop
Suspect
them.
secured.
Regroup on me.
We're with you.
Get down! Hands in the air!
Civilian ready for
You got
arrest.
nerve! Hey, wait!
Talk. This
Why
is
are you
entry
treating
team.
me like
Civilian
a criminal?
is safe, secure, and ready for evac.
Roger. We'll come in when it's clear.
Over there! Get down!
I got a
Police,
suspect.
on your knees!
This one's not giving up.
Get down! Police, hands up!
Use
Suspect
gas.
ready for arrest.
Can't tie him down.
I got it.
Suspect in custody.
We've got friends. You'll see.
Regroup.
On the ground, now!
Bang it. Go when ready.
Sure thing, boss.
Heads up, dropping a bang. Move it, guys!
Hey, not so
Unarmed
tight.
contact.
Police,
Inside.
drop your weapons! Put your hands up and get down!
Get down! My weapons are down!
Suspect compliant. Contact has complied.
On the ground, now!
Take it easy there.
Take him into custody.
Check. On it.
We'll get you out of here.
Don't worry.
Talk,
Someone
this
will
is
get
entry
that
team.
traitor.
Suspect secure and ready for evac.
Trying to defend
Civilian
me
ready for
Copy.
transport.
Trailer standing by.
Don't waste time
Talk
with
to entry
this.
team.
Stop them.
Mission objectives accomplished.
Good work, guys. Let's head to debrief. Stay calm. Entry team to